Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Play Party. Today we are checking out a cool set by PJ Masks. This set features 14 pieces with a cool sticky splat launcher. Let's get to opening this up. Oh wow, I'm super excited about this set. Check out all the different characters in the box. You can see Catboy there in the middle, Kevin down here, Luna Girl up in the corner, and that's a cool sticky splat launcher. We're gonna get to that shortly. I'm gonna go ahead and take all these characters out and then we'll get a chance to check them all out individually. There we go, now we have everybody set up. This set comes with a cool background too that you get out of the box. Check that out. It's like a cool totem pole in the back and you got all the characters set up on the front. It looks so fun. Let's get to playing with these guys. Let's start here with Gecko. We'll bring him up close to the camera. Everybody can see him. Hi guys! Hey, check me out! That's Gecko. He's pretty cool. He's got a little tail on the back. He's an awesome character. We're going to check out Howler now. He's got some crazy hair. His arms move up and down. You know, we can make him almost walking across the set. All cool. Howler is a cool dude. Yeah! That's Howler, guys. Put him back. We're gonna check out Rip now. She's lots of fun. You know, funky hair, cool purple color. Her arms move up and down as well. Hey guys! Yeah, that's Rip. Let's send Rip back. We'll check out Luna Girl. Yo, I'm Luna Girl. How are y'all doing? This is Luna Girl. She's pretty neat too. She's about 3 inches tall. Has a cool little skirt that you can move around. Let's send her back. We'll check out Owlette. Oh, cool. Look at this cape. Wow, awesome. Hey. Send that character back. Here we go. One of my personal favorites. Catboy. Catboy is super cool. Big long cat tail on his back. Cool markings. Love the ears too. Catboy's awesome. Yeah, man. And over here we got Kevin. Kevin's super cool. Hey everybody, I'm Kevin. Nice to meet y'all. This is Kevin. Kevin's cool. Last but not least, we have Wrench, the awesome robot. Say hi to everybody, Wrench. Hi. Here we have the sticky splat launcher that comes with the set. It's got a little button here in the back. Whoa! Wow, that was super cool. Let's shoot that off again. Whoa! Wow, that's cool. One more time, guys. That's the sticky splat launcher. If you liked the video today, please please hit that subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date and you can see us play with these cool characters. Coming at ya!